quick reminder, you don't need a degree or a tech background to start a career in AI. AI is everywhere right now, but let's be honest, many people still don't know how to get started. And if that's you, you're in the right place. Let me walk you through some free, beginner-friendly AI opportunities on Excelerate platform.
Wait, does that mean AI has feelings? Not exactly. Emotional AI teaches machines to recognize and respond to human emotions accurately. This is a growing field in customer care experience, healthcare, and more. Then there's digital marketing in the age of AI. This course reveals tools that are being used by big platforms like Amazon for their personalized campaigns. And guess what? No coding required.
Very importantly, we have an AI-powered data insights virtual internship where you will work as an AI data analyst, analyzing student engagement data on Excelerate to improve the experience of future users. And the best part, all our courses, challenges, and internships are mostly free, which means no fees for almost of them.
No fees. In addition, you earn certificates and badges to show off your skills on LinkedIn and your resume. Getting started is super easy. Just visit www.accelerate.org, browse the opportunities, pick an opportunity, and sign up. It's that simple.